This is my stash update part 4. A lot of these fireworks have been in my other videos, so go check those out first. And here we go. Over here we got just a little sleeve of grand juries. I just thought I'd try them out. Got some Neon Rage shells by Mega Banger. These look really colorful, so I got those. Got a little M98 strip. What else did I get? Oh, we got the Barely Legal 5-inch shells. So now I got 2 canister shell kits. We got Jet 9-shot by Black Cat. Buckshot Barrage 50-shot by Phantom. Legend's Twitter Glitter by Legend. What else I get? Oh, here we go. Walking Dead 19-shot by Black Cat. That's a really good one. It's pretty heavy too for the size. Let's see what else. Oh, we got Bone Crusher 7-shot by what is this? Iron Man. This thing hits for a 350 grammer. It reminds me a lot of Honey Badger Don't Care by World Class. We got 96-shot Pearl by Phantom. I love these little cheap ones. They're awesome. Mighty Cobra is the same way. 19-shot, little crackler. And I got 2 Seismic Wave crackers. As you can see, I lit some. Got a whole bunch of these Silver Salutes. Echo in the Ears. These are really loud 5-inch shells by Winda. And I like the design too. It's just like the classic. And we got Phantom Jumbo Smoke Canister. This thing lasts a really long time, like 3 minutes or whatever. It's really good. I don't know if I covered this in my last video, but I got some more of these. Got another brick of firecrackers. Flashing Thunder Roman candles. Those are probably my favorites. Some sky lanterns too. Then we got Komodo 3000 119-shot. This thing is huge. Like, I can't even get it on the frame. I don't know if that view just screwed you guys up, and I'm sorry. Down here we got like my little novelties, and I think I showed you most of this stuff in my other videos, but we got a whole bunch of fuse. That's very important if you're wiring up your show. Oh, we got Tropic Thunder 30-shot. Every time I went to Phantom, they did not have it until the last time. And my goodness, that thing is really fast. It's kind of like guerrilla warfare. And then I think this is the last thing. We got Seismic Zone. This is a more rare item. Like, there's not a whole lot of videos. I've only found one video of this, and that's like Phantom's official video, but this one's going to be in my grand finale, so it's going to be kind of hard to sort out which one is which, but yeah. So, like I said, when I get everything put together, I'm going to do my like really big final stash update video. As you can see, it looks kind of funny because, like I said, I'm going to get more 500 gram cakes here to stack them up here and here. And then I always put like a canister shell kit across this, so that way it can, like, you know, put fireworks up there and whatnot. And I don't know why it's blurry, but so yeah, again, this still is not everything I plan on getting. But I don't think we're going to be getting a lot more, though, because fireworks are getting really scarce right now, and we have a whole bunch. But so yeah, stay tuned for other stash updates, and yeah, I'll do like I said, a big one at the very end when I get everything all together. And yeah, stay safe out there, pyros. Peace.